Tyga, who's taken a big L, yet another one.
Well, you can't call it an L.
No?
He settled. This was a settlement.
All right, well.
So,
I mean, when you settle and you're paying $1.5 million,
but you got to hear how he's paying it.
Feel like an L.
The best part about this is how he's settling it. So here's the deal. So Tyga was sued by a management company. These managers who said, I mean, the funny thing is, they said they took him from this is a quote, from a relative nobody to a world-known superstar. I think Kylie did that, but anyway, the management company.
They just happened to be along at the right time.
The management company says they did that, and he unceremoniously fired the management company. So they're suing for all these commissions that they said they'd be entitled to because, you know, Tyga did achieve a level of fame. So they settled for $1.5 million. They wanted $4 million, but they settled for $1.5 million. Now we have to explain the payment schedule because this is what's so interesting. Tyga doesn't have to pay the $1.5 up front because, as you know, he famously has had issues paying his debts. So they have this payment schedule. So it's 4 installments of $137,500 each, with the final payment of $700,000 due June of 2019.
Okay, he's got some time, but 19. You better start making some hits.
Tyga will make some hits, but good luck on getting that money. It's probably it's not looking good for them.
No, he's gonna pay. Look,
well, there is a track record of Charles.
No,
yeah, but come on. I mean, he signed it. Of course he'll pay.
No, he's not gonna pay. You have to just damn near probably just choke it out of him to get some bread out of Tyga.
Or just
but he will make some hits. Yes, you can count on that, but you cannot count on getting any dollars at all.
Make sure to subscribe to TMZ Live to keep up to date on the latest entertainment news.
And if you want to keep watching, click on one of these videos right now.